Hey guys, what's up? So, I want to make a week in my life vlog. I think I chose like not the right week to do this, but this is like the most normal week I've been having. My last couple of weeks have been insane because of work. This is like a week in my life, like what my regular week looks like. So yeah, stay tuned and ciao. So I just copped these blazers, mid blazers, and I am obsessed with them. This is my first day that I've worn them, and I just love the red swoosh. Well, it's like a red orange type of swoosh. And I was in New York, and I've seen a lot of people wear these. Well, not a lot, but people I did see them wear. The people that I saw wear them were wearing them real good, so it really inspired me to get them. At first, I didn't really like them. I don't even know why, but I really love that they're like a mid, because I like those types of shoes on me. Like Jordan 1s I like because they're high tops. I only wear Converse high tops, so anything that's kind of like a high top situation, I'm here for it. Couple that face mask together, stay together. Buenos dias, good morning, amores. Today is Monday morning, it's like 7:15. And I'm just not feeling it, you know. Brushing through my eyelash extensions right now, so I can look like a normal human. But well, while I'm waiting for my car to heat up, I just got off of work. By the way, I am an associate buyer, so yeah, that's what I do for work. So 8 to 5, 8 to 5:30, 8 to 6, 8:30 to, it depends, but 40-hour week job, and I really like it because I just got promoted. So hey, what up? But it is a rainy day here, and it's just gloomy and rainy and icky. So I was ready to get out of the office because today was a busy day. Mondays are always busy, extremely busy, because we're reviewing sales from last week, so it just gets really busy. But yeah, I'll see you at home. Hola amores, acabo de llegar a la casa de trabajo. I just got home from work, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit. First of all, it is freezing in here. Let me put on this little heater because so I emailed my my apartment like complex email, because the people that moved upstairs, they're being so loud. Like when I tell you these people be stomping, like I don't know why they're stomping so hard. Like, but yeah, I have been traveling like the whole month of February. I've been in New York twice this month for New York Fashion Week and store travel, and then for Nike Kappa meetings, which is like the preview for holiday 2020 collections. So it's been a really busy month, and yeah, so I'm just at work catching up with stuff, catching up with emails, catching up with things that I need to do that I haven't, because I've been out of office. And when I'm in the office, like I've just had meetings all day. I'm just like, oh my god. But yeah, so that's been my life lately. And today I'm just trying to clean. Today I'm trying to clean some more because I started yesterday, but too tired to finish. Why you gotta be so mean? So like James made us dinner and he made little vegan, vegetarian little burgers, and I didn't finish mine because I got full. Well, this is my second one, okay guys. Anyways, put guac on it. It was fire. But he's like, I want to eat the rest of your burger. But I'm like, no, I want to save it for tomorrow. So yeah. By the way, I never ended up cleaning the bathroom. I fell asleep. That's how it usually goes. But I'm about to go to sleep soon, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. También las maravillas que Dios ha hecho para nosotros. Y entonces Dios nos dice, bienvenido a casa. Hola, amores. Today is Friday. I've been really bad with vlogging, like tremendously bad, mostly because I've been laying on the couch all week. But today is Friday. I got my dog here with me for the weekend, Babyita. And I got some packages from some brands. One, I got this Sobel Skin RX. I got their glycolic, I don't even know how to pronounce the word, glycolic acid peel. I just know that I want to try this. I can't wait to try this so bad because my skin needs it. And they're the first clinical clean brand that's offered at Sephora. So it's really exciting. And I'm glad they reached out to me. And I'm definitely going to be doing a first impression video on my Instagram. So a couple of things from R&Co. So I got their straightening spray and their anti-humidity spray. I was able to choose these products just like the acid peel. So that's really cool. And I just really want to look for a straightening spray that's like spray and not like serum wise. And also anti-humidity, self-explanatory. Spring is coming, so I need something to help me with that. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out as well. If you guys want a video about these things, like I'm gonna really make videos on like when I use these, because on Instagram I feel like people are more interested when you post like little clips and little videos of like you doing your hair. It's actually really satisfying to watch. So I'm gonna try to recreate those types of videos for my Instagram and actually put effort into it, you know. NYC, so this is their campaign of their detox exfoliating salt shampoo, and I really need some exfoliating in my head right now because this hair is dirty. It might not really look like it maybe, but it is, and I really can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use this weekend for sure. And then they gave me a microfiber towel and a little loofah. So thank you, Eva NYC, for gifting me these things, and as well as Sobel Skin and R&Co. All of these were gifted, by the way. So yeah, but okay, whew, guys, hold on. Okay, so I really want to go to the Louis Vuitton store today because I want to get this vachetta replaced with new vachetta for my mini Speedy. And I copped this off of eBay, and it's just like the vachetta is like cracked right here, and I just want it to be replaced. And I don't think it's super expensive, I guess, to replace like for something this tiny. What I saw somebody on YouTube, they said that they got it all replaced and it was $240, and I'm like, well, I got this for like 200 something, so really I would be spending like $400 or $500, which is still cheaper than buying this. I mean, you can't buy this new because they discontinued it, but buying the other version, it's like not the mini, it's like the other Speedy, I forgot what it was, the something. But yeah, so I want to go to the Louis Vuitton store today, and I'm kind of nervous because I mean, it's like Louis Vuitton, so I feel judged every time I go in there. Like, I don't know, but I'm just gonna go in there, rock my stuff, look like I'm everything, and not feel hopefully they accept this as well, because there's no cracking on the canvas. So hopefully it's not embarrassing. If it's embarrassing, I'll let you guys know. So okay guys, so quick update. I never went to Louis Vuitton yesterday. I fell asleep, but I went today and it went great. They accepted it. The SA said that the interior of the bag looked impeccable. But yeah, I'm gonna get all of the vachetta replaced. I'm just going all the way in and getting my money's worth and using that bag for the rest of my life. That's why I'm investing this money into it, because I know I'm not gonna get another bag. So yeah, I'm like done. I'm like done with buying Louis Vuitton, because I am set. I feel happy with what I have. So yeah, that went great and that went perfect. Hola amores. So yeah, I keep taking naps today, but today was cool. I did like a lot of, I didn't even vlog any of it because I'm so awkward, and also like I forget. But I went and got my nails done this morning with my nail lady. Her name is Portia. Amazing. Like, I love my nails so much. Ooh. And after that, I went to this streetwear boutique here local to Indy called Cargo Streetwear Boutique. And this designer that is based here in Indy, he was releasing his bucket hats that he made today in this boutique. So I had to go and cop one. And as you can see, like, this is why I had to cop it, because this bucket hat is so cute. He like hand makes all of them. And I just love the different denims, the plaids. Like, it just makes any outfit look so quirky and cute. So I had to get my hands on one. And it was also my first time going to that streetwear boutique, and they have like a lot of cool stuff. And I'm really glad that somebody in Indianapolis is doing that kind of stuff. So it really is, I was like, ooh, am I in Indy right now? So I really like going there. I enjoyed it. Then, like I mentioned in the video previous, I went to a Louis Vuitton store. I was nervous to go in, and I don't even know why. Like, I walked by it and I was like, let me just go to Urban Outfitters first, and I got something there. And I walked back and I was like, okay, because I'm acting like I've never been in the store and bought something in there. Like, I bought a couple things there. So I'm like in the system, and I don't know why I was acting so weird. But it went by fine. The guy was like, wow, this bag is so cute. And that like I mentioned before, that the interior was in pristine condition, that I did a good job. And I'm like thinking like, oh yeah. Meanwhile, I bought it like that. Got it from a Japanese eBay seller. And yeah, like, it was authentic. It was great. Obviously, like, they took it in. It was all good. I already knew it was authentic. Like, I was confident in that aspect. But I was just like, wow. I'm about to get like basically a brand new bag. And I'm really excited when that bag comes back with the whole new vachetta. I'm going to be so excited. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the vlog right here, guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog. I didn't do too much of a good job like recording every single day, but this is just the beginning. So, and look at bebita, little bebita, ¿qué tú estás haciendo, niña? She chilling, ¿cómo tú estás? Anyways, bye guys. Muchos besos.